Good evening, viewers. We are bringing to you another camp cooking video, and our camp cooking videos are pretty basic and something that you can make pretty quickly. So for today, we have some chicken thighs, deboned, satay chicken mix from Canton. Pretty much anything will do, I believe. And the camp cook pot, our trusty one. Now, this might look a bit dirty. Now, to know why it's dirty, I'm gonna put a link up here for our day 2 of Pemberton. You can have a look and see what's in there and why this particular cook pot is dirty. So first thing, pretty much dice it up any way you like it. The smaller we make it, it will be a bit faster to cook. We have diced up the chicken. As I said, any size will do. If it's a bit smaller, it's a bit easier to cook because we are in camp and we don't have any fancy utensils or very high power gas to cook them through. Next step is to turn the camp cooker on. Right, so that's on. We already have a bit of oil. I'm gonna add a tad bit more in here, whatever I can squeeze out of this spray. As you know, the sprays are pretty healthy. It gives more air than oil, but we need a bit more oil because we need to shallow fry it. So just adding whatever I can. Perfect, it's already smoking. We are gonna just dump our chicken. Going to add a tad bit of salt. We don't need much because the curry or the curry paste already had a bit of salt, and just a tad bit of pepper. Now, what pepper does, it actually helps to reduce the smell if there is any, and just give it a good mix. And spray some more oil at top so that it gets a bit fried. This actually doesn't need anything apart from bit capsicum. We don't have capsicum because we're in camp kitchen. So we have some onions. So we're just gonna add the onion. Right, so that just needs to be fried. Once the chicken is cooked through, we can basically add the satay chicken curry. No fancy cuts, just something like this, and make everything too. That's our onion, pretty much ready. So I'm just going to keep this aside. Quick stir, and now I'm going to cover it off so that it cooks evenly and quickly. It has been covering up for last, I guess, 7-8 minutes. Perfect. Chicken has been cooked through. Have a look here. So its chicken has been cooked through perfectly. So I'm just going to wait a bit more to stir fry. While it's getting stir fried, I'm going to add the onions. The quick stir. Stirring is done. We'll let it cook for another 2-3 minutes. That's our fire. It's keeping me pretty warm, specifically the back side of my body. It's pretty cold. It's gonna go down up to 9 degrees tonight. Not sure what's the temperature at the moment, but the fire is definitely keeping me warm tonight. This is a change in a camp video or in any of our videos. We have never had a roaring fire at back of mine. I think this looks for a pretty good background. Let me quickly read the instruction, how many minutes I actually need to cook this. 3 simple steps. This is a very good information. 2.5 serves of veg in this meal when prepared as directed. That's what we are doing. We have about 500-600 grams of meat, or basically chicken thighs. We like it more than the breast because it has more of those lean meat around the bone. Once we add this in, this needs to be in for 5 minutes. So that's the recipe, and the entire thing needs to go in. So that's what I'm gonna do. Reduce the flame a bit and put this entire bottle. That's in. It's going in the bin for now. Flame up and pretty much stir it. Get the creaminess of it. How good is this looks? I have already washed and it's already in our trusty cooker. You might have seen this in our cooking videos, camping videos way too often, because this is the easiest and the fastest way to cook some rice. So we have some jasmine sticky rice in here. It's getting light, I think about 9 o'clock. So, and because it's cold, we need the chicken hot. So I'm going to put the lid on and set it aside. And what I'm gonna do instead, put the rice on and give it full flame. And once this gives us the whistle, I'm gonna put this back on here, and that means when the pressure cooker is ready to open, this will be cooked through, or basically it's already cooked through. It will be ready, warm and hot. Look at the fire, pretty darn good. Whistle number 1. We'll go for 1 more. That's number 2, and it's done. We're gonna remove this from there, let it cool down, and till then the chicken is back on. The cooker is ready to open. As you can see, the steam coming off. I'm going to turn this one off as well. That's our chicken. I'm just going to remove this to show you how it is. Keep this here. This is the plate. For plating, easy peasy. I'm going to take a bit of rice. And on that rice, we are going to add some steaming satay chicken. This is, how good is this looks? Just put it over there with those beautiful curry. This is the food, the rice and the satay curry. It's pretty warm. Let's see if I can eat it or not. Just mix everything together. Blow the steam off. The taste is quite nice. It's really creamy. So we are gonna enjoy this by the campfire. Thank you for watching. Give us a like and a subscribe. Thank you very much.